All right, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode on Network Trade. So currently it's Sunday here in Lagos, Nigeria. Sunday right here. So this is a top-down analysis for the current week. These are the markets I'm interested in. First market is SAUSD, which is gold. Mind you, we bought gold last week, double. We bought outside the zone. I tried selling here. That was going against the trend, and that was a stop loss. I don't usually go against the trend. So this week, gold, I'm also looking to continue to buy. I'm also looking to continue to buy. Once I have this breakouts at the retest coming back to the zone, I'll be looking to buy. Coming down to the daily is bullish, and we are at a very clean support and resistance zone. Weekly is also bullish. 4 hour is also bullish. So we have a 3 time frame bullish for this. So the next trade is Euro AUD. Euro AUD, I'm also looking to buy. We are having 2 time frame bullish. We are having the 4 hour bullish. The daily is also bullish. The daily is bullish. This being our higher high on the daily, and this being our higher low. This look more for a breaker retest. We have this push, and we're gonna have this push again to the upside. I'm anticipating for that push to the upside. We're at a very clean support and resistance zone. Whenever we are above, as as a support, but whenever we break below, retest that as a resistance. This zone acts as a resistance and also a support. All right, coming down to the weekly. Euro AUD on the weekly, we are bearish. On the weekly, on the other hand, we are bearish. This has been our lower low. This has been our lower high right here. So we are bearish, and we are at a very clean support and resistance zone. Very clean support and resistance zone. So what I'm waiting for on the 4 hour now. On the 4 hour, I'm waiting for Euro AUD. I'm simply waiting for this market to break out of the zone. As I breaker retest, I'll be going in for a buy. The next stage, GBP AUD. GBP AUD, I'm also looking to buy GBP AUD. I'm also looking to buy GBP AUD. We are having the weekly higher high, higher low. We are having the 4 hour bearish. We are having the daily bullish, and we are also having the weekly bullish. Alright, so now what I'm anticipating is for this market to pull the way to the zone. So the breaker retest, I'll be looking to go in. I've had this analysis for like 2 weeks now, if I'm not mistaken. On the weekly, we are also at a very clean support and resistance zone. You can see whenever the market is above the zone, that as a support. Whenever it's below, that as a resistance. Whenever we break above retest, you can see the buy, you can see the push to the upside from the zone. Alright, push to the upside. So I'm anticipating for that push again to the upside. Coming down to the 4 hours. So what I'm waiting for GBP AUD is pretty simple. I wait for this packet to pull the way to the zone. So the breaker coming back, I'll be looking to buy. Next trade, USD card. I haven't traded USD card for a very long time now. 4 hour is bearish. Daily is also bearish. And the weekly is also bearish, and we're at a very clean support and resistance zone. This market is bearish. So I'm looking to continue selling. I'm looking to go with the trend. The trend is your friend. Always go with the trend. Weekly is also bearish. So this is a beautiful market. It's going to be a beautiful week. Last one on the list, Euro JPY. I'm looking to sell Euro JPY. I tried selling last week, but that didn't come. I'm looking to sell Euro JPY this week. The daily is bearish, lower low, lower high, and this is looking for a breaker retest to have this push to the downside. Coming down to the weekly. In the weekly, we are also bearish, lower low, lower high, and this is a very clean support, very clean resistance zone. Whenever the price hits here to the downside, come back to the downside, come back again, and now we are back again as at that zone. So we're going to see a downward movement on the daily. Daily has already given us this beautiful entry. This is an indecision candle. So we're going to have that breakout, so the retest. I'll be going in for a sell, coming down to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, I'm simply waiting for right now. So this market will break out as I do retest. I'll be going in for a sell. So that's pretty much it. 5 market have just been analyzed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also, if you want to trade live for me and my team, there will be a description down below of my Telegram group. You can join me and my team and trade live. Alright, and if you haven't liked this video, like, subscribe, and also leave a comment. That's pretty much it for now. Peace out. Wishing you a very peaceful week. Enjoy the rest of your week, guys.